July 20th, a family dinner at Applebee's in Kenosha, Wisconsin, turned into a nightmare.
Hey. Are you guys just in an accident?
No.
No?
We've been here the whole time. What's going on?
How long you been here?
We've been here for an hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah? Okay.
Jamel English Jr. and Shania Boyd were enjoying a meal with their baby when police, searching for hit-and-run suspects, mistakenly identified them. What followed, captured on body cams, shocked everyone in the restaurant.
Who's the table that just walked in you guys just called about?
You guys driving?
A quarter 727.
We want to clear you from this, so we could just.
For Genesis Cruise, 398, Wisconsin, valid, Illinois non-speaker.
You just came up here acting we don't know. I don't even know what's going on.
So you don't know which vehicle you came in today?
They were already here when I was going to do that.
I already told y'all
We've been here. Which
I know, which car is yours in the lot?
Because Perry got here with a delay is what I'm getting at. So it's possible they got here right after.
Right.
So which car did you come in?
We got a whole child with us. Y'all saw my accident.
All right.
Disregard on the one, she was going to be 1060, had a late hit just pop up here.
Yeah, still not saying what's going on.
There was an accident out there and somebody said that they saw you guys run in with the baby. That's what we're seeing.
They described a female with a top
So that's why if
bun.
you guys get to tell us
Okay, looks like there's one through our agency, bound 73.
They said somebody had red on, carrying a baby. So
Yeah, and there's somebody else who's in here with red on too.
But they're not here right now.
Okay, then, so go find them.
So then where's your car that you came in?
That's what you can do. You can check.
Where's the car that you came in?
Somebody. Accident, y'all.
You're not free to go right now.
We not
You are detained right now until we can figure it out.
Because I'm going to take my thoughts to the bathroom.
Chill. Hey,
You don't touch me.
relax.
you got a baby with you. Relax.
Tell us what car you came in and you'll be done.
Back up.
What car do you come in?
Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm not. Stop touching me.
You tell us what car you came in.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me. We'll be done.
Like, we don't gotta answer no question. I already told y'all we've been here.
You're gonna stay with my
No,
partner
I'm not
here.
gonna
You're
stay with
here.
nobody.
Okay, then put your hands behind your back.
I'm not under arrest.
You aren't going to be detained. Put your hands behind your back.
You know, this for what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Hold on. You got my house. Boom. Get the with me. We got my house.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey!
Put your hands behind your back.
House.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, like, are y'all kidding me? Look at my kidding me? Are y'all kidding me? This is crazy.
Stop on the ground now.
Resisting.
Stop spraying. Stop spraying.
Kenosha police. Oh my God. What's going on? What is going on?
Let go.
Okay. My child. What is going on? What is going on? I'm confused. Can y'all give me out the front? What is going on? Come on, y'all.
With you. Sit over on your butt. On your butt,
Oh my
man.
God, what is going on?
Sit up. Are you okay?
No, because I'm confused. I'm waiting on my food, my child. What is going on? Y'all putting my hands.
I don't know. I wasn't out here.
My child.
Hey.
My child.
Hey, breathe.
We got to
stop yelling.
My child. No, this is this is so up. I'm sitting here waiting on my food.
Stop
That
yelling.
one in custody.
Let's get it out. All right. Ready? We're going to stand up. Ready?
I'm confused.
We're going to stand up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up. No. You're an adult.
Where my child at? This is so up.
You want to.
Stop. Get the.
You just let me
Officers Luke Courtier and Michael Vences closed in on English while he was still holding his child. A staff member yelled frantically for someone to take the baby. Once the child was safe, officers tackled English, pinning him to the floor as stunned diners watched.
Children in the yeah.
No, right! It's a bunch of it's grown as hell! What hell? Get a good search. Hey, I got me!
You're gonna stop yelling right now. You have to stop yelling. That's sense for me. If you move against me, I'm putting you into the car. You have to.
I'm not gonna stop.
Stay back there.
You know where you are right now? Okay. You don't know where you are right now. So you want to go to the hospital?
I'm trying to get my son.
Your son's going with us. Where your grandma goes up, your cooperation, believing that this baby might be in danger. Absolutely. You don't know where you are right now. It's like we have to move, but
yes.
You don't answer these questions, you go to the hospital. So
he already tried to put me over there, and then he tried to speed walk over here.
You were ordering food? I'm like, well, what's going to happen to the baby next? You know what I mean? Like, if he's putting himself in
that baby has a
yeah. And we're just going to be walking over to that gentleman right there, okay?
77 officer at Applebee.
I got his phone over your bill. Are you serious?
Before you guys take him, we can uncuff him and just cuff him to the rail or something. Make it easier.
To the front, at least.
Yeah. Hey, you want to lean forward for me? I'm going to take these off you. Mike, you let me up, please.
We're told we had a woman running with a baby, but this other couple that Luke's out with.
Understand. So the couple that Luke came out with had a baby.
So wrong, bro. It's so wrong. I swear to God, bro. It's wrong. It's so up. My name's Shania. Shania. Can you crack the window? Yeah. Like my face burning. Where's my child? No, who has my child? They don't like what the. Where's my baby daddy? Like what's this?
Custody too.
For what?
For resisting. Okay, can we have a real conversation right now?
No. Okay, well, there's no point in talking. What's going on?
No, you don't want to have a conversation.
No, I couldn't hear you because I can't even see.
Do you want to have a conversation right now?
Yes, what about what?
What just happened?
What is going on? Can you please call somebody? Call my mom, somebody. They need to come up here. They just attacked us for no reason. We were just waiting on our food, Mia. Mia, I don't know. I don't even know what's going on. I just seen one officer came and asked a man a question. Mia, we've been in here since, who knows, 8, 9. I don't know. We've been in here for one. For one. Mom. Mom, can you please come to Applebee's in Kenosha? Mom, they just attacked me and my baby for no reason. And I'm in the back of the police car. Mom, please hurry up.
If somebody calls back for her, we're going to the jail.
They're coming to get the baby from here. Is that okay?
But nobody can take it until we approve it. So, if it is a grandma,
Yeah.
so most likely that'll be fine, but we can't, we had our call for
I
the approved.
understand what you're saying.
Alright? Vences, you hear that? I don't know.
What?
To the jail.
For what?
For resisting.
Ma, you're not gonna leave me with my child.
There's officers in there.
My child.
There's officers in there.
There's an officer, my child. What are you talking about? My stuff isn't in my child. You don't have no reason to take me to jail. This is so bro.
All you guys had to do was tell me what car you came in.
Not because the people already told you we've been in there.
She said 20 minutes, which is when 20 minutes is when this accident happened. That's what the manager told us.
And they tell you nothing like that because we've been complaining about why we ain't got no service. We've been in there. Y'all full of Nah, you full of You mad because I whooped. That's why you mad. You had to pepper spray me.
Yeah, you're cool.
No, shut That's why you taking me in.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
I can find out.
They just came in here. They ain't even explain what was going on. I don't know what's going on. I came to take my family out to dinner.
Okay.
I don't know what happened after that. All I just said is, can I take my son to the bathroom so I got to change his diaper? I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
I kept saying that.
Were you in the car?
The white car?
The white car over here you were in?
No, over there. It's over there by the door.
Okay.
You guys want to cuff him again?
Yeah, we're gonna have a third shifter do it though. You, will you cuff him with your cuffs? That way a third shifter's got him.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be able to go to the hospital?
Probably not.
Okay. Do we have another officer that can go to the hospital?
I don't know right now. So I'm still tied in here. I'm neck deep in with five juveniles.
Okay. Separate incident?
I don't know. It seems to be.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Got it. Thank you.
Either way, whoever goes, I don't mind.
No, yeah, I appreciate
I've got enough handcuffs to.
You guys are both hands or just one hand?
Oh, he gets both.
Okay. What kind of car is it? Which model or make?
It's just over there. I just know it's over there by the door. I don't know what car it is.
Is it like a Ford?
I don't know what car
Ford
it is.
or
I'm telling you,
hatchback?
it's white.
Is it a hatchback? Like,
I don't know what kind of car it is. I just know it's white.
did you drive it?
No.
Okay. All right.
Only later was it revealed that the real suspects were hiding in the bathroom nearby.
Like, why are they messing with
I'm a klutz, my bad. She can kind of throw that at you.
Destroying evidence, officer.
Hit him, Brick. Yeah.
Y'all having like a party in here? What's going on?
Yeah, it's kicking in.
Apparently, just hang out in Applebee's bathroom. So.
Yeah, that's a new one. I haven't seen that yet.
I ain't going on.
I don't live nowhere around here.
How you doing, Mark? Who's you? Picked you up out of the car like 3 times. You saying who's you?
Yeah. You come here. Leave. Not you. Sorry. Different cover.
I like how you say it too. Say it again.
Hey, are you willing to cooperate with us?
I don't even know what's going on, man.
Okay, we're gonna try to get you up in there.
For what?
See if we can get some answers for you, okay?
Yeah, if I can see, I can give y'all all the air. I can't see. He didn't pepper spray me. Got to pull my hair for no reason, with no answers asked. That's the problem.
We'll try to get you up in there and get you to a seat where you can get some water, okay?
Sure, ma'am.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. My whole out because of him.
Are you gonna come with us?
Yes.
Okay.
Even though they had no connection to the crime, English and Boyd were arrested and charged. Both faced resisting arrest and disorderly conduct charges, and Boyd was also accused of THC possession.
Y'all tell me where my child is. I don't even care about none of this. Where's my child?
Hey, bro, you think you're putting me on this toilet, bro?
Calling 735.
Cushion so he can sit on the floor. It's like his thing. If he sit down too long, he start getting swollen.
I'm busy.
Oh.
No, we're staying here.
No, I was going to say, you want to move him to the ground?
That's gonna hurt more.
That's going to hurt more? I don't have a cushion.
Can you grab a cushion for Mark? Can you grab a cushion for Mark Garrett or something? He's going to grab me some. You don't have special circumstances like Mark. You got any weapons on you?
I ain't got nothing more.
Okay. Just gonna check real quick.
Alright, we know about this. You can check that thing. It's on the IV. Okay. No, it's the IV.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, that's what I thought, right? So we all on probation here. So who there driving? Did I have a driver? Who driving? So you all go Kevin. Bullshit, Kevin. I saw you all walk in on
I'm saying I wasn't driving.
Okay, then who was driving? Because if you don't tell me who's driving, everybody's driving. Everybody goes catch you.
Catch what?
Catch a charge. Something on part of your crime. That's how it works.
I still who was driving.
I'm asking you. Because you're on probation, right? So I'm just gonna call your agent and we're just gonna hold you to your probation. So tell me what's up.
They don't tell me.
So you telling me that baby's in the hospital right now? It's more important to switch on your friends? The baby? You want baby's injuries on you? Because that's what that felony hit and run is. So not only is it a grown adult, it's also a baby. Okay? Let's see you go to court, beat that charge with a baby. When they put that baby on the stand, show their injuries on the pictures, and they say, oh, let's not convict him. Tell me how that's going to look. I ain't dumb, right? Okay, so tell me who was driving and why y'all flee.
I'm black. I was black though.
Okay. You want to take it? All right, that's fine. You just want to take the charge. Yeah, then tell me who's driving. They can't even hear us right now. Okay, so I'm going to pull Janai out. Right, and then Janai says you're driving, because Janai, she always be lying. Then she's going to say you driving, and she don't want to take that charge, and then guess what's happening? I'm offering you first, Kevin, because you got the most to lose. She going to come out and say you driving, so you going to take that charge. You going to take that charge?
I promise you, if I knew I would do it.
That's how you want to do it?
I promise you, if I knew I would do it.
Tell me who's driving.
No, I was sleeping.
That's fine. You're just going to go to jail on that, and you're going to have to fight that charge after injury of days. Cool with that?
Bro, I ain't.
That's part of your crime. Go ahead. You're under arrest.
Sure.
And then we're going to call you PNP agent. You want those extra years in jail?
No.
Because you're going to get revoked for that 100%.
No, bro, I don't.
Okay, well then just tell me what's up. Because you're under arrest now. You want to read your rights so you can talk to me? You want to talk about the car? Are you too close to the bathroom? Do you understand these rights? What these rights of mine do you?
So Ma just came in. She just said he is actually paralyzed.
Okay.
I know.
You know what I got?
Okay. I know.
I got y'all coming in camera right after the accident. Cool. Yeah, so everybody's going to be charged with tonight felony hit and run hardship crime involving injury of a child. Because there was a child in that car. A baby. Okay? So that's what everybody's getting charged with. Do you understand? Okay. All right, go ahead. Yeah. Turn around, put your hands on your back.
I got his. You got it? And you grab his right hand there.
So, you're not going to be able to do that. So it's fractured. So, cuff this hand. Okay, and then cuff it to his belt loop right here. Right here.
It ain't gonna be good in court.
Now listen, man, I'm trying to give you courtesy by not cuffing your broken hand. Okay? Please don't be and do anything dumb. Okay?
I'm not, sir.
Understand?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh.
Months of legal proceedings followed before the court finally dismissed all counts against them. The fallout sparked an internal police review. The department found both officers had violated policy. One was suspended for 4 days, the other for 10. A night that began as a family dinner ended as a cautionary story of mistaken identity, unnecessary force, and limited accountability.